I'm super excited to see a bunch of these coral centering and intake prototypes. It seems like these are super easy to get exactly where you want. So it's sort of informing a lot of our robot design here on Cybertooth.
The prototype that I thought was the coolest was 9496 Coral Shooter. I think that's the only team I've seen shoot so far. Our kids brought that up at first as an idea and I totally shot it down, but it's definitely a viable option. So I'm excited to see more of those.
The coolest prototypes that I've seen is this category of manipulators that can handle both algae and coral with the same manipulator. 2383, the Ninjineers, have kind of piloted this with their RA3D robot, and now on their Open Alliance thread, they've been experimenting with how that works, and I think those are going to be really cool this year. Another interesting thing that we learned in prototyping on our team is that you can get algae to squish through some very tiny slots. You can put a lot of compression on this game piece. I don't know if we're going to use that this year, but it is very interesting, and I can't wait to see what teams do.
I was catching up with some of the Robot in 3 Days videos, and I really like the Quokkas. Those guys made 2 robots? What? Come on. First you're here, now you're here. But yeah, the Quokkas with their sideways lifter and their spinny thingy reminds me of one of those amusement park rides that, like, we used to have the Bullet at Indiana Beach, and you'd get in the Bullet and it would spin you around. You would get sick. That's what it reminded me of.